So this is a 22 millimeter. And what I've been able to do is hook it up right there and turn that. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Another thing is time tight. Time is tight. Time is always tight. So as you see, that oxygen sensor, the upstream one, is turning. Finally. So we just got to keep turning that with our hand until it comes up. One down. See? Man, look how dirty that is. That's the old O2 sensor, y'all. And it's out. Alright, we're gonna put the other. Alright, so this is the new O2 sensor, the upstream one. We're gonna pop that off. And we're just going to try to fit it right in there, see? Remember, righty loosey, lefty tighty. So we're just gonna rotate it in the opposite direction until it's nice and tight. Alright. And from there, I take this 22M, just give it a few nudges to tighten it up. Okay. Just gonna tighten that. I need both hands, so I'm gonna tighten that up a little bit. Alright, catch y'all. I think that should be tight enough. So pretty much this is like what leads to the exhaust right here, as you see. That's the downstream O2 sensor, and that goes into like the cab of the vehicle. Alright, this is like the exhaust manifold. The catalytic converter is right around there. The upstream one is just up, right? And then the downstream one is down. That's how you tell the difference between the upstream O2 sensor and the downstream. So now that that's a little tight, it's not 100% tight, but I feel good about it. Once again, that's a 22 millimeter. I'm gonna try to use this thing right here, this socket. This is a socket that we can use as well to kind of tighten things up. Let me put this camera down. So I got the socket on there. I'm gonna just turn it one more time with my hand, and that should be tight enough. All right, y'all. Try to reach down there. And grab it. I remember this piece hooked up right there. Yeah. I'll try to hook that piece up. Right there. I think that shit. I'm gonna get some electrical tape. You see that wire? You can see the color of the wire right there. I'm gonna get some electrical tape and tape that up. But anyway, now that's there. we're just gonna take this piece and plug it in right there. Alright, so as you see, this is on the driver's side. On the driver's side is where this thing is, the O2 sensor. Let's see if I can show you from the car. That's the O2 sensor right down there. See that? So that's it. That's how you change the O2 sensor on a 2014 Kia Soul. That's the top, the upstream O2 sensor, and that's done. So now we're going to start the vehicle up and see. Fire in the hole. Alright, so the O2 sensor is done, the upstream. Now I'm going to change the downstream one. What I'm going to do though is I also got a diagnostic tester, and the reset button is on that diagnostic tester. After I change the downstream one, I'm going to run a test, like reset it, run the car for a little bit and see if that works. But in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna take some electrical tape and tape that piece right there. I don't like the fact that those wires are exposed. Alright, but there's some wires exposed over here, so I don't think that should be a problem. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more. Let me know if there's anything you need to know. Once again, that was a 22mm. And, oh, couple tips, sorry. Yes, blaster. What I did is I sprayed that O2 sensor with this blaster for days at a time so it can soak in order to pry it loose. You can get this at Home Depot. Once again, I don't get paid for this, but this is what worked for me. This is not an ad. To me, it's better than WD-40. The gentleman at the hardware store told me WD-40's formula is 30 years outdated, and this is more modern. So you can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, wherever. I don't get paid for this, but this is what worked for me. And all you do is you just spray it. I'll show y'all. I'm not gonna spray it now, but I've been spraying that piece right there from the top. I've been spraying it to make it free. Same with the downstream one. I've been spraying that for days. That's already loose because I already loosened it up. But this helped a lot. This helped tremendously. Can't believe I didn't mention this to the end of the video. But anyway, that's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.